Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Manduli channel. What we're about to do before we start off this, I'm gonna take you real quick to a clip of my mom cooking all of this food. So we're gonna take you to a clip right now.
Hi everyone. I am about to cook a Zambian meal for you guys. I'm gonna start with chicken. Just your ordinary chicken thighs from the supermarket. So I'm going to wash the chicken first. I've got some rose cocoa beans here. So I soaked some last night. And the reason why we soak the beans, first of all, it cooks quicker when you come and cook it the following day. And also it takes away the gases that make you have wind.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. So I'm gonna introduce it again. Let's go again. We're gonna go raise the Vaigz. Please don't say the Vaigz. I used to be Vaigz. And to my right we got
Jemma.
Yeah. What is your name on YouTube?
Jemma Ormsby.
Yeah, look out for Jemma on YouTube. Jemma Ormsby. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, and he'll put it in the description.
Put it in the description. Subscribe and like, yeah, share, yeah, and Vaigz, yeah, just Vaigz on YouTube, V
just for now. Until further notice.
G to the Z. Cheers, guys. Yeah. So we got the 3-year-old here. Alright, guys. So what we got here, we got some lovely chicken, as you saw being cooked.
Beautiful, mate.
We got some lovely chicken that you saw being cooked. There it is. The cam, and then we've got the vegetables that you saw being cooked, and then we've got the sauce that goes with the fish, and then we've got some beans. Where is the fish actually?
Nshima.
And then we've got Nshima, and then we've got these are called visashis, but they're like mixed with peanuts kind of thing.
So if you're allergic to nuts, you know, people, and this is how we do it still. You're supposed to eat this with your hands. But obviously we've got some British people here in this.
Yeah, you mentioned that.
My problems with both Latin people as well, so yeah, it is what it is.
I love it. Do you want to do yours?
Yes, please.
How many lumps do you want? 1 lump or 2, darling?
One.
This is the jargon or when you eat Nshima.
1 lump or 2, Borden?
I'll have one for now, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's my favourite dish.
Yeah! I said that on my first video. Actually.
Oh, is it?
My first video on YouTube.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Big up to the ones that know the show.
Slogan.
I'll have one of these juicy chickens.
fish as well.
Yeah, that's the fish. That's the. I'm definitely not the head part. I'm not a. Yeah.
Edit that out, shall we?
Nah, definitely not. Thanks.
Yeah, let's do a piece of chicken.
Vaigz, would you like some chicken?
Of course, mate. Come on, mate. How dare you guys use knife and fork, though?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
You want to try some?
Oh yeah, no. Sorry, I need some bacon.
Okay. This one? Okay.
No, wait. No.
Quinton's going in for the beans and Nshima.
The greens. In your hands.
Oh, look at Vaigz, look at Vaigz.
He's not messing about.
Then, just take whatever bit of fish, whatever you want.
This one?
Burn in your finger. It's hard. Alright, cut that part off.
Pass the orange juice, please.
Just talking to yourself.
Cut.
Edit that.
Cut. All of it gets left. Just cut.
So Vaigz, tell us. How long you been eating salsa for?
When I was born, mate. It's mad, man.
Mad. Did Mugabe die, by the way?
Yeah. He's probably still
When
alive.
did he die?
Like, this year. Sometime this year.
Yeah.
Sorry to my viewers. Nah, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Not to offend anybody.
By the way, guys, the way that Vaigz is doing it is the real way for it to be done. That is the real way.
Make sure you wash your hands before, though.
It's good. You know when things go silent, it's good.
Yeah. Hey. Another soul food, baby. Solid.
You do this. What's that?
Yeah, finish the
Finito. Bravo.
Let's go to Jemma.
You don't enjoy your
Jem.
books, yeah?
You being from Jamaica.
Jem is from Jem.
Big up all my Jamaican.
Jamaica. Big up. That's what's up. What do you think of African food? We call it Nshima. Zimbabweans call it sadza. So what do you think of Nshima and sadza?
I absolutely love Nshima. I actually love salsa and
Yeah, what do you
Nshima.
love about it?
I just love the texture, and I love the fact that it soaks up. You know, I'm a sauce lover.
Yeah.
I love sauce, saucy, great. My recent one.
9-year-old doing your makeup.
Yeah.
Oh,
Check that out.
That was my most recent video.
Go
My
check that
9-year-old was doing my makeup. Obviously, it went horribly wrong, as you can probably imagine.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. He's not even into makeup, to be fair, but it was just a fun video.
She forced him into it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Thank you. It's like,
Make sure you clean them knives and forks, yeah?
Do you like a mince pie? Do they like mince pies?
I think
She
so.
reminded me.
Okay.
I think
I've
so.
got mini ones.
I haven't had any. I haven't given them any actually this year.
Cheers, mate.
From your country.
From my country,
Yeah.
'cause they know my dishes.
Ah, I see.
But for my country, my favorite dishes, like I said, you can look at the video, the last one, built is one of them. But that's not really a dish, is it?
snack.
So I'm gonna go with T-bone, which I tried to look for T-bone, I couldn't find, and fish as well.
Yeah.
We tried to get T-bone and I couldn't find it, unfortunately. But you can go check out my other video called Surf and Turf. I got T-bone on there. I'm promoting myself, mate. Plugging in myself.
The plug.
Yeah,
But we're supposed to have that lovely T-bone today, but
yeah, unfortunately we didn't. We couldn't find it.
it's all good though. It's gotta be.
Yeah, but we got the fresh fish, innit?
Sure.
So that's what's up. Alright, guys. I think it's about time where I'm gonna sign out. I say thank you to everyone for subscribing. Thank you for these lot for coming through, plugging yourself. Pardon me.
Nice.
Plugging yourself again.
Jemma Ormsby, JXMXA.
Yep. Go subscribe, please. If you haven't subscribed already, Vaigz, V-A-I-G to the Z. Alright guys, like I say, go and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed already, go and subscribe. Go tell a friend to tell a friend. And then
if you've already subscribed, subscribe again.
like, comment,
Email address.
thumbs up. One love. We're out.